Hi there. So I am here with another topic. This is the another video. And today in this video, I would like to share about my favorite activity in a day, in a normal typical day. So वैसे तो आप सभी की कोई ना कोई favorite activity होती है. So this is a topic based on present. That's why I have selected this topic. Another topic. If you haven't watched my previous videos yet, just watch those videos because we are making a series. We are working upon the days where you understand different topics on the basis of different tenses. So अभी हम लोग present tense पे ही काम कर रहे हैं. I'm not actually teaching the present tense or past tense or future tense here, but how you can speak your topic on the basis of those tenses. So that is why I am making a series of videos for on the basis of different tenses. So we are working upon the present tense. So आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे a particular activity which I enjoy during a normal typical day. आप किसी भी एक्टिविटी के ऊपर अपना टॉपिक प्लान कर सकते हैं. इफ़ यू लाइक डूइंग एक्सरसाइज, अगर आप योगा पसंद करते हैं, इफ़ यू लाइक मीटिंग टू योर फ्रेंड्स, इफ़ यू लाइक वॉचिंग योर फेवरेट टीवी प्रोग्राम, अगर आपको शॉपिंग पसंद है, if you like to use any social media platform, any social media handle, or you like to talk to your family members, you like reading a book or a newspaper, or you like spending time with your family members, or you like to study. जो भी एक्टिविटी आपकी फेवरेट है आप उस पे अपना टॉपिक प्लान कर सकते हैं एंड लेटर ऑन यू कैन राइट दैट टॉपिक. एंड यहाँ से आप वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स ले सकते हैं. मेरे इस टॉपिक से यू विल गेट सम आइडियाज कि आप कैसे कैसे अपने टॉपिक को प्लान कर सकते हैं. इस टॉपिक में हम बात करेंगे माय फेवरेट एक्टिविटी, उसके बाद बात करेंगे व्हेन आई डू दिस, उसके बाद बात करेंगे कि व्हाई व्हाट आई एक्चुअली व्हाट आई डू, एंड देन व्हाई आई प्रेफर डूइंग दिस ओनली. सो व्हाट आर द रीजंस. तो आप भी अपने टॉपिक में ऐसे स्टेप्स प्लान कर सकते हैं. सो व्हेन वी प्लान अकॉर्डिंग टू सम स्टेप्स तो हमारा टॉपिक एक इफेक्टिव टॉपिक बनता है. वी कैन राइट दैट टॉपिक एंड देन लेटर ऑन we can practice either in front of mirror or we can record it, and then we can later on we can listen it that what mistakes we have done. तो आप इस तरीके से प्रैक्टिस को फॉलो कर सकते हैं. So now here I would like to share my favorite activity. Well, there are so many activities which I like doing throughout the day, but today here I would like to talk about one particular activity which I relish, which I enjoy. Relish or enjoy means कि जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है, either relish or enjoy. So here I would like to talk about one particular activity which I relish or which I enjoy. This is reading a book. Well, I always prefer reading a book because it gives me immense knowledge and extreme pleasure. That's why I have selected reading as a favorite activity of mine. I have a cozy room, and in that cozy room, I have a particular corner which is well equipped. There is a comfortable chair, and there is a small table, and there is a bookshelf as well. This is well stocked. Well stocked means कि जो मेरा bookshelf है वो well stocked है, books से भरा हुआ है. So this is very comfortable and a cozy private room I am having, and in that room I have all these necessity items whatever I require for reading जो मुझे ज़रूरत है. Well, I spend my few hours in the evening over there when I free from my routine activities, when I remain free from my personal or professional duties. Let's say for in the evening 1 hour or 2 hours, I go there and I prefer reading over there my favorite books. I prefer reading so many books, but my most favorite subject is fiction. I like fiction books because it allows me to escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday's life. Hustle and bustle जो हमारे जिंदगी में इतनी भगदड़ मची हुई है, everyday life की hustle and bustle से मुझे जो है ये अलाउ करती है टू एस्केप. एस्केप मीन्स होता है कि बच के निकलना. So I like reading fiction because it allows me to escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday's life or everyday city life, you can say. Well, I read because of some specific reasons. So I'm here mentioning that why I read it. I read because of some specific reasons. First and foremost, whenever I read, I get immense knowledge, as I already mentioned that. Moreover, it gives me a sense of relaxation, a sense of pleasure as well. That is why I prefer reading books. Secondly, I choose always reading books because in that way I can get a chance to know more about different words, vocabulary, glossary. So आप words use कर सकते हो, glossary use कर सकते हो, vocabulary. I get a chance to know more words in English, to know more vocabulary and the glossary, and to know more about people and different lives. So in that way I just get a knowledge to know more about people, to know more about their lives, about their culture, and so many things. That's why I love reading a book. Additionally, or last but not the least, I prefer reading because it always enriches not only my knowledge but also broadens my area of thinking. It broadens my intellectual level. It broadens or it enhances or it improves my intellectual level, and as well as it stimulates my mind. That's why I prefer reading. So I would say overall reading is my favorite activity, even though I do so many activities, but this is one of my most favorite activities during a normal typical day. In that way I can unwind, rejuvenate, and feel more refreshed. Thank you so much. Hope this would be very much helpful, you guys.